There is an easy way to get bigger and more vibrant orchid flowers, and all you need in three ingredients likely already sitting in your kitchen cupboard. The golden rule for indoor orchid care is to duplicate the plant's natural growing behavior as closely as possible. When you first get your orchid, it will likely be healthy and in bloom. Never report an orchid while it is in bloom. Just reduce the amount of water it receives until the bloom fade. Follow these care tips to keep an orchid alive and thriving. Choose a location with plenty of bright, indirect light. A south or east facing window is ideal. Allow the growing medium to dry out between watering. Feed with an orchid's specific fertilizer or a balanced fertilizer formula such as 20-20-20 at 1/4 strength after watering the plant once a week. Reduce fertilization during the months that your orchid is dormant after flowering. Now, my dear friends, I will tell you the main three ingredients which you already use in your kitchen in daily life. Some of the best natural fertilizer for orchid are available on your kitchen shelves, such as banana peels, eggshells, or even the cooking water from rice provide the plant with the essential nutrients it needs to stay healthy and encourage the plant to bloom. So my dear friends, let's start to make a natural fertilizer for orchid. You may need to test the soil of your orchid to see what nutrients it is lacking, but generally they need a balanced fertilizer of phosphorus, potassium, nitrogen, calcium, and magnesium to flower. The one drawback to organic fertilizer is that the exact ratio of minerals is unknown, and it is best to use a variety of organic fertilizer to provide a variety of minerals and other beneficial nutrients. Number one is eggshells. Eggshells are one of the best organic source of calcium, which is essential for helping the roots grow and also provide a small amount of other nutrients such as magnesium and potassium. Make sure to thoroughly wash the eggshells as the yolk could attract pests. Then you can crush up eggshells to scatter in the soil or make the eggshells into liquid tea fertilizer. Eggshells can use once every 1 or 2 months to help boost them as it only need a moderate amount. The next is banana peels. Banana peels are generally considered excellent organic fertilizer, and not only are rich in potassium, which is essential for healthy plant, but they contain a lot of phosphorus too, which is very important for flower production. The two ways to make banana fertilizer are to either grind it into powder or to make a liquid fertilizer by letting it sit in water. To make banana peel tea by steeping fresh banana, sink in water for 48 hours, then dilute with 4 parts water to 1. Alternately, cut the banana peels into thin strips, dry in the sun for 2 days, then grind into powder that can be sprinkled onto growing medium. Banana peels can be used once a month. Next is rice water. The water after cooking rice is great for orchid as it will contain lots of nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium as well as starch, which will be a good energy boost. Rice water is also rich in vitamins such as B1 and also contains amino acid, which will stimulate root growths and help the plant flower. Rice water has been found to be particularly beneficial during flowering. To make rice water, simply soak rice in water for 30 minutes or more, and then you can put this water into a bottle or any jar and let the ferment for 1 week and keep it out of direct sunlight. This homemade fertilizer needs air circulation to work, so make sure to only loosely screw the cap on or cover it with the cloth. After the week is up, dilute the solution with 1 part rice fertilizer to 1 part water and spray on the roots to help your orchid flower. Rice water can be fed to orchid once a week as part of its watering schedule. So growing orchid as houseplant is such a rewarding hobby. If you follow these rules, then you make your plant happy and healthy. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, like this video and share with your friends. Take care.